Alright, in today's activity time, we are going to look at a model of a human tooth. Yay! This is a model that I got from my dentist friend. Okay, so this model is a model of how our teeth is. Okay, today Auntie wants to show you the different types of tooth and what their names are. Okay, so all of us have something called the jaw, right? So this and this, we have two jaws. Okay, on each of our jaw we have a tooth sitting on our jaw. Okay, so this is the lower set of tooth and this is the upper set of tooth. I will quickly tell you the names of the tooth, but before that, do you know how many teeth do you have as a child? Yes, you have 20 teeth, 10 on the lower side and 10 on the upper jaw. Okay, but as you grow up, your primary tooth, so when you are growing up, when you are a small child, you have what are called primary tooth. They are not permanent, they are temporary tooth, but by the time you are at the age of 13, you will have all your permanent tooth come up one by one, and at that time you will have 32 teeth, 16 at the bottom and 16 on the top jaw. Now this is an adult tooth, adult teeth model, right? So I'll tell you how many, I'll show you how many teeth we have here, right? If you look at this, you have 16 on the lower jaw and 16 on the upper jaw. And there are 4 tooth. So I'm going to now tell you the type of tooth we have. Okay, there are 4 different type of teeth a human mouth has. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4 on the front, they are called incisors. Okay, and what are incisors used for? Any guesses? Yes, they're used for cutting the food. If you have a carrot or an apple, a piece of apple that Amma gives you, you use your front tooth to cut it, right? To bite it. So this is for just cutting or biting. And you have 4 sharp tooth on the just after the incisor. 1, 2, and 2 on the bottom and 2 on top. So they are called canine. And does anybody have any guesses on what a canine tooth is used for? Animals have canine tooth, a lot of canine tooth. What are they using it for? Yes, they are using it for tearing. Okay, so if you have a, say a piece of meat or something that you want to tear, you use the canine tooth. Okay, and after the canine, there are 2 teeth on each side on the upper jaw and the lower jaw after the canine, and they are called premolars. Yes, premolars are, if you look at it, you see they have a cap, right? And they have only one root, and I'll come to what a root is in a bit. Okay, these are premolars and they are 2 on each side, making it a total of 8 on a human grown up teeth. And you have the molars, which are 1, 2 and 3. They have a big cap and they have 2 roots each. Okay, and there are 3 plus 3, 6 on the bottom jaw and 6 on the upper jaw, lower and upper jaw. Okay, so that makes a total of 4 plus 2 plus 8 plus 6, and that makes it 16 on the lower jaw and 16 on the upper jaw. That makes a total of 32 teeth on an adult teeth. Okay, so the jaw we have, right, that is actually helping us in grinding movement. Okay, see, this is used for grinding, and the molars and premolars together help majorly in grinding the food. When you're eating, you don't eat like this, right? You do this, your jaws move, and what you're actually doing is grinding the grinding the food. How amazing, right? Now, I talked about root. So, every teeth has, so whatever you see in white color, above, these are the gums, right? Above the gum, whatever you see, the visible part is the crown of the tooth. But below that, so I told you when I started this video that only third of the teeth is visible. The other 2/3 of the tooth is underneath, and that is the root. There are many parts that there are, but just to keep it simple, this is the crown and we have the root. So that's how the teeth is, a human tooth is formed. Now, um, do you know that the teeth is the one part in our body that does not grow on its own, rejuvenate? What does that mean? So, if you fall down and you have a bruise, you know how it gets healed and a new skin forms in its place. But after you have your permanent teeth system, after that it will not regrow. All you have to do is replace it with an artificial. It cannot naturally grow. That is why it is very important for you to keep your tooth clean. Yes, so we have to brush our tooth every day, and make sure you clean it properly. Okay, so brushing is a very important activity you have to do to take care of your tooth. Otherwise, you may lose your tooth so early on, and then you may not be able to eat properly or chew properly, or eat anything that you like. Okay, but the beauty is you can have, if you maintain your teeth properly, you could have your natural teeth until you turn 100 years. Wow, how amazing is that? Okay, so I think that is a lot of information that we saw today on our teeth. I hope you guys liked this content, and I hope you guys liked learning more about your teeth. Remember, if you have any loose tooth, do not use a string to pull it. Okay, allow it to fall on its own. Take care, and until next time, be good and keep reading with your parents. Alright? Bye.